Okay, well, I'm heading down right now. We're currently working on a little shop for us to work on in the wintertime. We're driving down there right now. It's gonna be a pretty interesting, cool project. We're gonna be excavating inside an old barn. So I'm gonna drive this rig down, and let's get her going and let's dig some holes. Okay, here at the barn, this is the area. So what I did was we have our finished floor height. I shot that. I have my laser mounted on the wall over there. So I shot this at 223. We're going down 16 inches, so approximately 40 cents. That puts our bottom grade at 263. So plan is I'm gonna come in here, start in this corner. I got my buddy Joe. He's gonna be in his skid steer, his little wheeled Bobcat. I'm gonna start casting and putting over here, and then he's gonna take the material out. And hopefully we get this all done today. We should. It's not that big of a job, but they got the right man on the job. Okay, let's go. Check our grade. I'm at 250. I'm just saying, like, that's a good base. It wants me to go down 10 more cents. There's no sense in digging into a material like the way it's all settled. Well, the way I'm looking at it is we're going to be taking basically 2-inch, 4-inch out to replace it with 2-inch. Why disturb it? Cool. Yeah. All right. Well, we got this entire area dug out now. This half of it. So plan is to come back in, swoop in, dig out far corner, and then dig out that section, come in. You know what? You guys will see. But we're down our 16 inches everywhere. What I'm gonna do is come back afterwards and just give everything a final little shave. Boy, burn dust on me. Give everything a final little shave with the front bucket of the backhoe just to clean it up. But along the edges, we'll have to get some eager kids or some eager young guys to just shovel off. And you probably just shovel it down and then just flatten it out, but just to clean up those edges. But it's actually really easy stuff to dig through. So, all right, keep digging. One thing about these backhoes is the buckets curl back really far on them compared to like our Komatsu shovel. You can get really, you can get tight in. Just gotta be super careful around this barn. Around these beams, I mean. I need to be 263, 3 centimeters, not even shot. I'm pretty hard on myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and say that pisses me off that I'm 3 cents high, but I kind of checked in a high spot. Oh yeah, checked in a high spot. 262, 1 centimeter. All right, I'm good. I'm good. All right, and the dig is complete. We got everything on grade. Now, I'll be the first to say it is a little rough. I haven't ran the backhoe in a while, but the backhoe is one of those machines where it's good at everything, but very bad at everything. Backhoe is one of those things where it's good at everything, but not very good at everything, if you know what I mean. So it's all on grade. There's a few spots. He's gonna bring the skid steer in here, clean it up, get everything all smoothed out, flattened out, do around the sides. But that was our job for today. I did not actually think that we were gonna do that in one day, and I think that only took us about 3 hours to do. So I'm actually pretty pumped about that. So we're gonna head back to the yard now. That was a little rainy day project that we weren't planning on doing, but we got done. I don't know, I'll put a card up right now for the video, but I'd still have to get this more sanded down. This is still an ongoing project. But by the looks of the video, if you don't know what I'm talking about, click on that card to watch it. But by the looks of it, I think it's going neon pink. And I knew it when I said it in the video that this friggin' thing was going pink, that you guys were gonna make it so that it goes pink. But you know what? I think that it'll actually be hilarious, so yeah. Okay, first stop of the day. We're at gas station. Andrew needs to get some supplies for the day. I'm driving the new 2021. Andrew's over here in the tandem. And we're hauling septic sand right now. We're gonna go back down to the job site. We're gonna finish up the septic today. The boys are dropping in an 18,000 liter tank. They're gonna put some photos up of that. I'm mad that I can't be there for it, but it's on a job site with another contractor, and they're really, really strict. Not that like we're not strict on COVID, but like you need face shields, masks, and everything, even in a machine and all this stuff, which is great. But I don't want to make any complications with me going there and filming and stuff like that, because it's not our job. So we're just getting some supplies and then we're going down. It's gonna be a good day. Woo! All right, made it to the job. So what we did was we just dumped our loads of septic sand. And what we're doing here is we're doing an Elgin system. You guys have seen this on the channel before. So this was a complete replacement. So there's a new tank in the ground here with an outlet that then goes out to this new Elgin system bed. And what we're doing with the septic sand is the Elgin system obviously takes its special spec Elgin sand, and that's what's brought up level to the units right here that you can see. So this sand up to this point here is special Elgin sand, and then what we're using to then backfill over top up to a good level is the septic sand. It's a different type of sand. Kind of the same but different, same but different. So we're gonna do that. He's gonna cast all that stuff. I'm gonna push stuff up with a skid steer, and then after that we're just on topsoil. So we're kind of just hopefully wrapping this up today and then on to the next thing. So we get asked a lot of the time what these pipes are that we leave actually whenever we're done. And to get final inspection, they need to see these pipes. These are called inspection pipes. You got one at the front of the bed, one on the footer header. Basically what it does is after everything's done, the inspector will be able to go down and see just exactly how much sand and how much everything's down there and see that pipe. So that's why we leave these in, and then once you get final inspection, you can then take them out and you're good to go. Okay, big change of plans. So I was driving this new truck today because we hired a new driver and he's awesome. Not a problem with him. He's actually like amazing. I can't speak highly enough about him. But I guess he was driving the new truck, or sorry, our old 08 tri-axle today, because we were going to get this all greased and put some filters and airlines and stuff in it today. But I just got word that the truck, his truck that he's driving out on rental, isn't building pressure in the air tank past 80 pounds. And then whenever he hits the brake, he loses air pressure fully, and you can't drive like that. That's unsafe and whatever. So I'm gonna limp it back to the yard. I'm just waiting here at the pit where he's hauling from. He's on his way here now. We're gonna swap out trucks. He's gonna get the brand new one back, and we're gonna go from there. But another beautiful day in business, just breaking shit. I love my job. All right, this is my fourth. Man, it's like over an hour round trip to this job. I did not anticipate that. Well, I mean, we did with the job, but I didn't know that it was that long. Oh, whatevs. No biggie. So you get a full bucket every time. I go, you go up, I back off, and then dive back down to the pile. There, oh, there we go. Get the top stuff, back off a bit, back in. Look at that. Everyone's gonna go, that's the way you get a full bucket. That's how I get a full bucket. Of course all my batteries died today. Isn't that just lovely? All right, well, we got Phil on here from the yard. We were gonna haul from a closer spot, but the people did not want us to haul out of there. No big deal. Appreciate the offer. Anyways, we got a really good jag of tailings on here, and my name's not Andrew, but I'm trucking in the truck. I'm in the 08 now. You guys saw, we got the airbag fix. I'm trucking. Canadian and proud. Let's go down to the job site. Woo! Sweet. All right, let's park this rig, go see what Andrew says, and we need to float the 170 down to another job, another new home build, complete, entire new build. It's gonna be great. Any of you guys watching these debates? I'm not even American and I'm watching these debates. Okay, that's all I'm gonna talk about with politics. All right. That Cat 257 proved itself to be a workhorse. I think next year we'll be in the market for something a little bit bigger and a little bit newer and a little bit blacker, meaning color. I like those black ones that they have, that they make. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. It's currently Friday. You guys are watching this video. Now behind me is the video that's coming out Tuesday. I'm currently making and filming it. Now if you follow us on Instagram, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. And if you don't follow us on Instagram, then you're probably wondering why I'm standing behind a combine. The boys ended up topsoiling up that job today. I didn't have time to go down there. We were busy in the yard. I actually was screening dirt up today to finish the job. So I was kind of working with the job, but I couldn't make it down there. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, have yourself an awesome long weekend. Happy Thanksgiving, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Take care.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me.
And of course, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patrons channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, Happy Thanksgiving. I know that that has nothing to do with the video, but I want to wish every single one of you guys a happy, awesome, happy Thanksgiving, regardless of all the nonsense and bullcrap going on in the world right now. I want you guys to enjoy a weekend with family, whether you're actually going to get to see them or not. So if you guys watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below, Happy Thanksgiving. I appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.
I let them think that they got me, but what do you know? I had them beat before we ever spoke. I'm ready for smoke. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where.